In this episode of Art Talks with Artyshils, we are going to talk about one life-changing hack for growing as an artist. Yes, this is not fake. This hack actually works if you want to grow as an artist. So if you would like to know what that is, then do stick around and let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Shilpa Lalit. I'm an artist, art educator and an entrepreneur and a mom of 2 little kids. To know more about me, my online painting workshops and the brushes that I am using, you can check out my website www.artyshils.com. And now before we talk about the topic of the day, let me share a little bit about the painting that we are creating right now. This beautiful painting is with this mermaid with the turtles floating around her hair, and this painting is called Love. You know, when I was painting this painting and starting this brand new canvas, I was really going through a little bit of art block. I was not sure if I'll be able to soon get a concept that I will enjoy or love painting on this canvas. But you know what? When you're actually sitting in front of the canvas to paint, your subconscious mind or whatever is stored in there has a way to come out. So this painting was like totally not planned, but you know how things happen one after the other and your heart really flows out on your canvas. That actually happened with me over here. So when I was painting on that canvas, I had recently been to some beautiful beaches, water and oceans, and I decided to choose that as my theme to follow and paint something around those lines. But more than all the beaches that I had visited, what really affected me recently were the pictures of some turtles that were shared by one of my friends, where she showed how those poor creatures lost their lives due to all the plastic we humans throw on the beaches. The legs and the faces of those turtles were entangled in that plastic and they suffocated, and that was one of the extremely heartbreaking sights that I had seen, and that was just stored in my subconscious, and I definitely had not forgotten that when I was painting this canvas. When I had seen those pictures, it shook me to the core, and I felt so helpless and ashamed to be a part of this human race which is literally killing the environment with our utter carelessness and selfishness. So here in this image, those turtles came up on my canvas, floating around me in water in a peaceful moment where we both are there for each other. So in this painting, I really mean to represent that we are for the environment and the environment is for us. Let's be friends with each other. It does not take much to be friends and protect those tiny, speechless, innocent creatures, and just live and let live. How simple that is. So next time you go to some mountains, you go to some beaches, you go anywhere, please don't throw plastic waste, and please recycle your plastic waste, or put it in the dustbin that can be taken away for recycling, and just don't throw it in the environment carelessly for no reason. And I truly believe that we can do that. It's really simple. These are just little things that matter and can save these little creatures from dying like this, right? So with that being said, without taking any more of your time, let's get started with talking about number 1 life-changing hack for growing as an artist. And sharing about that hack starts with a really beautiful line. And that line is, when a flower doesn't bloom, you fix the environment in which it grows, not the flower. So over here, you are the flower, right? You want to bloom as a flower. You want to bloom as an artist. So what is one thing that you will fix? That one thing is your environment. And what do I mean when I say that you need to fix your environment? So the 3 ways you can fix your environment are: number 1, make sure you surround yourself, no matter in person or online, with artists that inspire you, with artists whose work is powerful and really inspire you, and you want to be as inspirational or as amazing as they are someday. If you fix that one thing, if you surround yourself with artists who are doing amazing and who inspire you, I'm sure it'll work on your subconscious, and you will also automatically start working towards being the artist that you want to be. Just this number 1 way to fix your environment will make huge difference in your growth as an artist. The second way you can fix your environment is find a mentor. Find somebody who can guide you. And nowadays in this internet world, it is not very difficult to find a mentor or somebody who can guide you and truly tell you where you stand, or what you need to work on, or what you need to do to grow as an artist. In my life, even right now, I need a lot of guidance, but I don't have somebody in person to guide me. But there are a lot of inspirational people in various aspects of learning that I follow online. I continuously listen to them and make them my mentors and learn from their teachings and try to apply that on my work and see how I can grow. And the third way that you can change your environment is by just staying away from negative people, staying away from people who don't believe in you, staying away from people who doubt you, staying away from people who doubt your abilities. So it's not always possible to stay away from people who doubt you or who doubt your abilities. Maybe it's not the outside world that you can just ignore. Maybe it's your parents, maybe it's somebody in your family, but you can definitely shut down the noise in your head by ignoring the negative comments or just not talking about that topic if that negativity affects you in some way, or just getting away from that topic, because you know your journey and you know your path and you know where you want to be, right? So just focus on that and just eliminate any kind of negative voices that may be around you or discouraging you in any way. Just fixing these 3 things in your environment will definitely assure you the growth that you are looking for as an artist. So wasn't that number 1 life-changing hack amazing? And that came from the quote that when a flower doesn't bloom, you fix the environment. So you got to fix your environment if you want to bloom like a flower as an artist. So that is it. I really hope that you found this video helpful. Let me know your favorite point from this video in the comment section below, and some of the most amazing points I would love to share in my Instagram stories so that it can inspire others as well. Also, if you would like to learn my kind of paintings, then do visit my online academy at www.artyshilsartacademy.com. The link will be in the description box below, along with a 15% off discount coupon that you can use to purchase your very first class at Artyshils Art Academy. And the beautiful brushes that I am using to create my paintings, you can find them at www.artyshils.com. So with that, I would like to take your leave, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so that you can never miss any upcoming video on this channel. Also, if you found this video helpful and if you would like to support my work at this channel, then do share this video with your art friends, your loved ones on social media, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram stories, or on your personal WhatsApp groups. That will be really helpful and that will really mean a lot. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Till I see you next time. Bye and happy creating. Bye.